Kaya boneless bangus. So welcome to my kitchen. So today I will be cooking a simple recipe called Filipino fish steak. I'll be using deboned milkfish or boneless bangus, preferably unseasoned or yung walang timpla. Nagamit din ako ng 6 na pirasong calamansi or 6 pieces of calamansi. You can also use lemon, 6 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium-sized onion, black pepper. This one is optional, 2 thumb-sized ginger, 3/4 to 1 cup of soy sauce, and of course you need the cooking oil. So I hope you find value on this video. If it does, please click like and subscribe, and I promise all your dreams would come true. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is prepare the marinade. So I'll start with my calamansi. As I've mentioned kanina, you could also use lemon. Okay, so next would be our milkfish. Sa inyo yan kung anong gustong hiwa o anong klaseng hiwa ang gusto ninyo o gaano kalaki. Ito natin yung paminta. Make sure lang na nagugas ng kamay bago gawin ito. I could add soy sauce. So you could leave this overnight or siguro minimum of 15 minutes para pumasok yung timpla. Okay, so pait na tayo ng mantika, around 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. So ito yung ginawa ko sa condiment. So yung garlic, hiniwa ko into small pieces or minced, tapos yung ginger into strips, yung onion ginawa kong rings. Yung garlic mabilis lang tumaluto, no? Lalo na pag hiniwa natin ng maliliit. So hinaan lang natin yung apoy, no? Okay, so pag medyo tansya mo nang malapit ng mag-brown yung garlic, ilagay mo na yung ginger. So ang ginagawa natin ngayon is sinisison lang natin yung mantika para may lasa. At para hindi na rin ma-overcook yung condiments kasi medyo matagal i-prito yung bangus kumpara sa mga sangkap. Then we're gonna put the onions. Yung onions, yung goal natin dito, yung translucent lang. So okay na yung onions, lipat na natin sa mas malaking kawali. Isalag natin. Siguraduhin lang natin na mainit yung mantika bago ilagay yung bangus. Kasi kung hindi mainit yung mantika, didikit lang yung bangus, masisira lang. So yun, pag wala ng tunog, ibig sabihin mainit na yung mantika. Kung magpiprito ka palagi ng boneless bangus, unahin mo palagi pituin yung likod o yung balat. Kasi pag inuna mo yung laman, ang tendency niya, didikit yung laman sa kawali. Mahirap alisin, masisira. So, yun lang. Okay, so I'm done cooking all of the milkfish. The next thing that we need to do is we need to simmer the marinade. So lower down the heat. That's enough for simmering. Now pour the soy sauce or the marinade. You just want to simmer that, and then once it's simmering, taste it. If it's too salty, you could add sugar. So that's the purpose of simmering this first before putting back the fish. Alright, so I'm okay with the taste. No need to add sugar. But again, it's up to you. So I'm gonna put the fish back. Okay, so this is done. All I have to do is put back the ingredients or the condiments as a topping. There you go. So I hope you have learned something and find value on my YouTube video today for this fish steak recipe. If you do, please don't forget to click on like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Hope you have a good day or a good evening. Most preferably unseasoned or yung walang timpla. And this one is optional. Some size of garlic or now when you fry milkfish, always start with the back side if it's the bone, okay, so that you won't damage the meat. Just like when you do sunbathing, you always start with your back so that your face would not be burned. So what I'm doing is I am putting cooking oil on top of the milkfish, to moisturize, because we live in the desert in Nevada. The air is dry, so everything needs to be moisturized, even this milkfish. Especially it came from the sea. It's not used to be in a frying pan. And if you do, please click like and subscribe. I promise your life would be better and your prayers would be answered.